Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday. Yesterday we just drove over to the shop. Sat here all day. Didn't really film much. Filmed a little bit. Drive over, but anywho, just gonna go load up some shredded sugar beets. Haul that up to Washington. Alrighty, we'll get to her. Alrighty, we're over here at the old amalgamated sugar plant. Hauled many a sugar beets in here when I worked for Trans Systems. It's the first time ever hauling beet shreds. New experience for me. The road. All right, we will be headed to Grandview, Washington. We go to a little dairy up there, and it's only about a 4.5 hour drive, so it'll be a nice, easy day. Can't get loaded until tomorrow, so we'll unload tonight when we get there, or today when we get there, and probably sit around most of the day. Then we'll get loaded tomorrow morning, something like that. So that's the goal, the plan for today, anyways. Sorry. Look at this disaster we just rolled into. This is a mighty fine example of American truck driving. If anybody was wondering what it was like to be a truck driver in America, it's this bullshit. Dealing with this crap. This place sucks. Enough complaining. Let's get some fuel. Alrighty, we're getting fuel. Do a quick little walk around. Just to make sure everything's all good. You know, first time putting the axles down for the day. Oh yeah. Everything looks good to me so far. Alrighty. We're all fueled up. I got hung up talking to a guy. But anyways, I think we're gonna back out of here, because if you've ever been to the Flying J in Caldwell, you know it's a disaster trying to get out of here. So we're just gonna back out, try to get out of here without any fuss. A little close to the intersection, but hey, she'll ride. City, Oregon. Beautiful little town. Anyways, just hop on here, give you a quick update. We're about 2 hours and 50 minutes away from where we're delivering. Be up there about 11:30 or noon, something like that. Somewhere around there. Anywho. Beautiful. Man. Imagine being one of them settlers coming across here, seeing that shit. Woo! Here we are rolling off the top. Cabbage. beautiful up here. Alright, here we are in the construction, which is kind of scary because we're down to a single lane and people like to come flying down this hill at like 70 miles an hour. So hopefully they're paying attention. See some of the cows over there eating on the hill. Way up there. Anyways, this guy's trying to be nice and get out of people's way, but really just causing more of a dangerous situation trying to run on the shoulder. So alrighty, about to switch over to I-82 and start heading up north into Washington. Oh man, that is sketchy. It's pushing me all over the place. Alrighty, off of that bridge. Sketchy. Here we are in Patterson, Washington, and this Mexican restaurant. That place is good. If you're ever in Patterson, Washington on the 221, just turn in there, get you some good food. Yeah. Totally thought this guy was in my lane. Oh man. Idiot. It's kind of nice being light, you know. Jakes really hold you back. Anyways, we're about there. We got about 12 minutes or so. Alrighty, we got scaled in, and now we're gonna head on over to the I guess they have like a calf ranch or something like that. So I guess that's where this is gonna go. So we'll head over there, just a few minutes up the road. Alrighty, well, I didn't get blown away, so that's good. We're just backing into the spot now. Took me a minute to figure out where we were going and find somebody to sign our paperwork. But got everything figured out. Get backed in here and get this stuff dumped off. Man, windy, dusty, disgusting, just terrible. Yep, just a little dusty mess. Nasty, dusty mess. Anyways, this is what it is. So they shred the sugar beets to make it easy, easier to break them down or whatever. And that's what's left over after they extract all the sugar out. They make it either into a pellet or just leave it as a shred. So anyways, I guess cows like it. So I'm gonna sit in the truck because it's dusty as hell out here. Alrighty, we are empty. Oh, I got a mouthful. Head up 395. Change plans. We're going to go to Spokane, well, up by Spokane, a little place called Valley, Washington, and load a dolomite rock that comes back to Parma, Idaho. So that's the plan. Alrighty, we made it up here to this rest area just before we get off. Start heading north towards Valley. So can't get loaded today, so we'll have to wait till the morning. And you know, we're only about an hour and a half away, and there's no service up there. So no fun sitting around all day with no service. So figure we just hang out down here. Anyways, that's all I got for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate everybody watching these, and catch you on the next one. Bye.